Hello, everyone. We're moving from our old system to the new one. Our previous affiliate platform is being fully migrated to Shopify Collabs, including all of its components. We'll also redirect your old affiliate links to the new ones. However, you'll need to adjust a few link settings in the new system. Let me walk you through it. Go to the new page and scroll to the bottom. Click Join Affiliate Program. If you've already registered in the new system, just click Log In. I've already signed up, so I'll click Log In here. Once you log in, you'll see the Shopify Collabs homepage. From the left menu, click the Collabs tab. We will add all our resellers with access to all licensed products. You'll earn 8% commission on sales. Coupon codes will not provide discounts. Those remain at 0. Click the tab, then scroll down a bit. You'll see your store homepage link. Copy this link and return to the affiliate section. Enter your information, then go to Settings and open the Collabs homepage section. Click the field and paste the link. Scroll slightly and click Save Changes. Once we update this setting, all old links will automatically redirect to the new ones. So you don't need to worry about your previous affiliate links once the new system is active. That's how it works.